Hi everyone! In today's video, we will show you how to convert PDF to PNG. There are numerous circumstances in which a PDF converter can be a beneficial tool for your business regarding digital file modification. For example, you could have material in a PDF that you need to incorporate as an image in another program, such as a PowerPoint presentation, or you might need to rapidly share a document section with a service that does not support the PDF format. Whatever your reasons for converting PDF to PNG, the process is more straightforward than you think. Let's get started. You can access the free PDF to PNG tool from pdfcandy.com. Visit the page, follow the instructions, and let's begin converting your files. On the main page, scroll down to find the PDF to PNG tool converter. Alternatively, type PDF to PNG in the search box at the top of the main page. Press the Enter, and the relevant tool will appear in the search results. Drag and drop your document into the PDF to PNG converter box, or upload a file from your computer. PDF Candy will receive and scan the PDF and display a preview of the first page. PDF Candy guarantees that your file's quality stays unchanged after conversion by preserving the attributes of your original file, which will be transformed into a PNG. However, you do have the option to adjust the quality of your output files. You can select between low, medium, and high quality. To begin the conversion, click the blue Convert PDF button. When the conversion is complete, you will see a green Download File button. Click this option to get a zipped archive with all the images. Alternatively, below the converter box, you can manually select each PNG file one by one. Please keep in mind that each PNG file represents one page of the original document. With PDF Candy, converting PDF to PNG has never been easier. Moreover, our service is the perfect fit for all of your document goals. Visit pdfcandy.com today to check out what it offers. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Subscribe to our channel to not miss new video tutorials and software tips and tricks.